What's up guys, this is Tampatec and I'm going to show you some amazing Apple Airpods and Samsung Galaxy Buds alternatives. These are way under the cost of the expensive Airpods that cost around $150 and the Galaxy Earbuds, or Galaxy Buds they're called. They cost well over $100 as well. These cost well under $100 and they offer just as good quality. So let's go ahead and check them out. This is the Kohen Earbuds. We got the Holy High earbuds with the charging station and the Tampatec noise canceling earbuds as well. All of these earbuds have amazing battery life. The Kohen earbuds open up. They have the magnetic snap-in charging base. So you just drop it into place and it just magnetically attaches to the charging prongs that are in here. They actually talk to you. But they're pretty smart. When you take them out, they automatically pair to your phone. And then when you put them back in, they automatically disconnect to your phone. And they have these silicone covers that hook into your ear, which are pretty good. They lock in really well and they fit perfectly. Of course, they have different sizes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in. And this one's labeled L for left ear. And you want to twist it in so it locks into your ear. And they stay in really well. They're not falling out. So they're great for exercise. They're sweat-proof, weather-resistant. And the battery life on these, I believe, are 5 to 6 hours. I'll leave links in the video description below if you're interested in any of these earbuds. Those links support the channel at no extra cost to you guys. Let's go ahead and test them out and hit play. Now, to turn them on, you actually press and hold to turn them on. And then to disconnect, you press and hold for 5 seconds, it'll turn them off, and then it'll disconnect from your phone. Now, if you tap once on the right ear, it'll pause, and then tap again once, it'll play. If you tap twice, 1, 2, it'll raise the volume. Now, if the left side doesn't work, you press and hold for 5 seconds to turn them on. So you can use it as mono or stereo. All right, now double tap on the left earbud, 1, 2. And then that would lower the volume. And if you triple tap, that would activate Google Assistant or Siri, 1, 2, 3. Cancel. Now it has a built-in mic so you can take calls. If you want to skip forward, you press and hold for 3 seconds. Until you hear a tone. And if you want to disconnect, you press and hold for 5 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. And you'll get notified. It'll say power off. These are really awesome. If you get these, you're going to love them. The battery life is around 4 to 6 hours on the earbuds, but the base station will charge the earbuds within about 30 minutes. And give you another 4 to 6 hours of battery life on the earbuds. And the battery life on the base station is roughly 35 hours. Pretty awesome. So you could take these and travel all the way to Asia and fly back again to the United States, and you'll still have plenty of battery life on the base station. It tells you the battery life on the charging station. And then when you take these out, right here, it tells you the battery life. It automatically connects, and then it tells you the battery life on the earbuds. And all 3 of these earbuds are Bluetooth version 5.0, which gives you a longer battery life, longer range, and faster data transfer. On the Kohen, these are the instructions to control the earbuds if you're interested. The Kohen earbuds, you charge the base station using the Type-C charging cable. That's a Type-C to USB charging cable. On Amazon, Kohen headphones are Amazon's bestseller, and they have great reviews. I'll leave links in the video description below if you're interested in any of these earbuds. Now, the Holy High is fairly new to me, but I tell you, I love them. They sound actually a little bit louder than the Kohen earbuds. Now, with the Holy High has amazing battery life. The battery life on the base station is 120 hours, which is incredible. The earbuds battery life is 3 to 4 hours, whereas the earbuds on the Kohen are 5 to 6 hours. But overall, you'll get way longer battery life out of this whole entire package. Now this actually uses a micro USB to charge the charging base. And when you're using your charging adapter, make sure you're using a 5 volt 1 amp to charge this charging base, because they said they had issues with the charging with a 5 volt 2 amp power adapters. So make sure you use a micro USB and plug the micro USB into a power adapter that's 5 volt 1 amp. And it tells you the battery life right here, just like the Kohen charging base station. They automatically connect to the phone, which is pretty cool. They don't have the hook. So the Kohen earbuds have this cover where you can hook it into your ear. These don't. I would like to see a cover, maybe the next generation or this generation, have the option that you can actually snap on a silicone cover where it has a hook or a wing that locks it in better. But these actually stay in fairly well. So I'm going to show you right now. So I put it in and I face it upward a little bit like that, and then do the same to this side. All right. Now they automatically connect, and let me go ahead and show you the Holy High. Once again, it tells you your battery life. These are louder than the Kohen, in my opinion. Now the controls are a little bit different. You can still pause and play by tapping, answer calls just like the Kohen by tapping, end the call by tapping. If you want to reject, I think you press and hold. It's a slightly different control setup. And if you want to double tap the right earbud, it'll skip forward. Double tap the left will go to previous track. Single tap to answer call, single tap to end a call, which is similar to Kohen. And to reject, tap and hold. And to if you want to dial or redial last number, double tap to redial, which is slightly different from the Kohen. Now if you pause the music, you could double tap and that would redial. If you play the music in your music mode and then double tap 1 2, yeah, so that would skip a track. And then on the left earbud, while the music is playing, the music has to be playing. To go to previous track, you double tap 1 2. Now they actually have volume control, so you press and hold for volume control. Now if you pause the music and then you press and hold, that would reject the call if there's an incoming call. Or if you don't have a call coming in, you press and hold and it would power off the earbuds. And once again, once you put it in to the charging station, it's magnetically snapped into place. Once you try these and you try the Apple AirPods and you try the Galaxy Buds, you realize how overpriced they are. These are a great value. Now I'm going to show you the iTechnic. It's Bluetooth version 5.0. So once again, you get the longer battery life. You get the longer range, faster data transfer. These are also, all three of these are sweat proof, weather resistant. This does not have a charging station or charging base, and it doesn't need one because it has an amazing battery life, up to 24 hours of battery life. These also have the silicone hooks that hook into your ear, so they're great for working out. Let's go ahead and test them out. So this is labeled L, no, this is R, and this is L. Usually the controls are on the right side. And it has a cover for the charging. So it is micro USB to charge it. Put the cover back on. And here's your controls. You have pause, play, volume up, volume down, skip a track, go back a track. You know how to work these controls. It has built-in microphone, so you can take a call, no problem. Let's go ahead and test them out. And one of my favorite features is this. These are very travel friendly. Watch. They snap in. Magnetic. All three of these use magnetic technology where the earbuds, they snap into the charging base, or when you're wearing them, they click together, locking them in, and you can wear it as a necklace. Very smart design. I'm a big fan of magnetic devices. Now, iTechnic also has the ability to tell you the battery life and they lock in really well. I say the iTechnic probably locks into your ear the best, and for the earbuds, they have the best battery life. The iTechnic earbuds have noise canceling built in, have pretty decent bass too as well. But the Holy High is by far the loudest in my opinion. So if this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that loves to travel, likes to exercise, and they want a good pair of earbuds, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. And if you want more tech videos like this coming your way, subscribe to Tampatec. Click on the subscribe link right here or the subscribe button down below. And if you want to check out my other tech videos, click on this link right here. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.